Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm here with another Star Wars Doorables Galaxy Peak pack. These are the 4-packs. In this series there are 25 to collect, which you can see there. There's 4 in the pack. And so far we have 12 of the 25. So we're looking for 13 new ones. So we're just hoping to find new ones today. We'll go ahead and open this up. And these are in a gray capsule that pops in half that you can make a stand for them. And they are in blind bags. And here's what the stand looks like. And you just pop it together like this. And then you have a stand for 4 Doorables. Okay, here's the ones we have. First we have the checklist. This is my checklist that we already have them checked off on. So these are the older Star Wars characters. And then some of the newer ones plus some of the older ones. And this is what the blind bag looks like. It's just purple with stars on it. And they are numbered. This one's number 24. So number 24 is this is Hera Syndulla, and she is an ultra rare. I may have not pronounced her name correctly, but there she is. So she is one of the harder to find ones. I think there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ultra rares. So let's go ahead and check her off on our list. Okay. Next we have number 8. I realized I didn't show you the capsule number. So I will show you that. Every capsule is numbered, so you know who's inside. And here is Lando. Lando is a common. So there he is. He's wearing his blue long sleeve shirt and pants with some black shoes and a blue cape. Put him there with Hera. This one is number 1. Goodness, they're getting harder and harder to open. Okay, who's in number 1? That is Luke. And Luke, he is probably a common. He is a common. And we already have Luke, but he has a pretty cool character. He's got his lightsaber. These are really well detailed for being so small. And last but not least is number 13. Oh my goodness, it doesn't want to open. There it goes. Number 13 is C3PO. And he is a rare. So there's C3PO. So that gives us 3 new ones. And we're going to check those off on our list. So here's C3PO. And we also have to mark off Lando. I think C3PO was my favorite one in this opening. I'm still looking for the cruiser of him. So I'm glad I got him in the little figure, in just a figure. But here is our collection. And we're going to show you the code on the bottom of this. It is B04. The last 3 tells you what's inside the box or inside the capsule. This is the set so far together. So we had 12 and we added 3, so now we're at 15. So we only need 10 more figures to complete this set. So if you love the Disney Doorables, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.